What do you want? Ayaw po na. Ayaw po. Ibigay mo sa akin cellphone ko din. Oh, last one na, last one. P is for push. Q is for quiet. R is for raining. Okay. S is for slide. T is for cry. Now it's a tear. Yeah. She's crying, but T is for tear. Okay? Ayaw po na. No need to sit there naman. Iiyak ka na naman. You po na. It's okay. You go there. It's okay. Go. What do you want? Umupo ka na dun, You want to use your potty tray? Oh, bakit na umiiyak? Anong ginagawa mo? In the bathroom? Why? Bakit? Bakit?
No.
You pupo first, Tumayo ka muna bago kita hugasan. You pupo first. Pupo. Hindi ka pa nga tumatay. Gusto mo na maghugas. You pupo first. You pupo already? Finish? Let me see. You pupo already? Oh, hindi pa pala. Oh, Anong gawa mo? Give me my phone. Give me my phone.